Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Music not working in iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and your Apple Music is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the first way is that you have to open up your settings and then you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available because sometimes it might be that your software is have any pending updates, so it may make these type issues. So you have to make sure that you haven't any software update, and once you have checked, so you have to go to your apps, and here you have to look for music, and here you have to make sure that you haven't disabled any setting from here. So if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to go ahead to your general, then go for iPhone storage, and here's the best ways to fix all issues on your music app. You have to look for music, and here you have to try to offload your app. Once you have uploaded your app, it will fix if there will be any bug into your Apple Music app, and after that you have to try to reinstall the app. And once you have reinstalled, it will take a time. So after this loading has been completed, you can easily use your music app without any issue. It will fix if there will be any bug into your music app. So that's how you can easily fix if your Apple Music is not working on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.